Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save your Reels draft to your phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram feature never roll out to all users at the same time or even ever. Each account is missing a feature or too big or small. Maybe your account is missing Instagram altogether, and this happens even in the countries where Reels are available. Or maybe you do have Reels but is missing a new few feature related to it. So in this video, I will show you how to save your draft videos, your Reels draft to your phone gallery. It's very simple. So first we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open the draft by open the Reels section. And here you can see I have 4 drafts on my Reels, Instagram Reels. You can just tap on that. You can choose on the Reels that you want to save to your phone gallery. I will choose this one for the example. And as you can see here, there is no option to save it to your phone like this too. So you can tap on edit on the upper right corner here. So here's the video. And still there is no option to save it to your phone. You can tap on the screen until it's zoom like this. And you can just slide the options, the tools, and you'll find there is an option like the download icon. You can just tap on that. You'll find there is an option save to camera roll. You can just tap on that. We can wait. It's still processing. The Instagram saving your Reels draft to your phone gallery. Can wait and see the result after the processing is finished. And a video saved. We can go back and you can check to our gallery. So here we go. Here's the video, the draft from your Instagram Reels. You can play. It's so cool, right? So you don't need to upload it to your Reels first and save it to your uh, phone. So you don't need to upload it to public for your Reels. You can save it, the video, to your phone's gallery. It's very simple, right? So that is how to save Reels draft to your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!